सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्रीकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारे। मेरा नाम है बिपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है And friends, like always, today I again came up with a very nice and handsome property option for all you guys in Gurgaon, South City 1. So friends, this is the 4 BHK floor in South City 1 which I was talking about, and this is the property which we are going to explore today in this video. And as I've told you that this property is having 4 floors, of which only 3rd floor is left for the sale. All the other floors are already sold. So let's go inside and check out the layout of this property from inside. Friends, this is the sale floor of the property, and here builder has promised to give 2 car parking space to each flat owner. And now moving ahead, let me tell you that this is the lift lobby and staircase area. So that being the staircase, and this is the lift, and over here the lift which is provided by the builder is of Schindler make. Friends, here we are at the 3rd floor of the property, and these are the lift landing door installed on this floor, and this is the main entrance to the floor. As you can see, it is provided with this 8 feet tall wooden door, and the entry to this floor is secured by this smart lock. So my dear friends, now let's go inside and check out each and every corner of this floor. Let's go. So friends, over here on this 3rd floor of this property, before starting the exploration of each and individual corner, let me tell you that on this floor, Deccan air conditioner in each and every room, record geysers in all the washrooms, Weber chimney hob, microwave and oven, fans, and this chandelier is provided as a standard fitment by the builder. So with this brief description about the floor, let's start exploring the layout of this floor, and we are going to start exploring the layout of this floor from this drawing room. So my dear friends, this being the main entrance to the floor, and adjacent to the main entrance is this drawing room. So let's go inside and check out the drawing room of this floor. So friends, over here in this drawing room area of the floor, let me tell you that the type of flooring provided over here is of this Italian marble, and same type of flooring is provided in the lobby and the kitchen area also. So this is the Italian marble flooring provided over here in this drawing room area, and this is the design of wall ceiling provided over here. So friends, over here in this drawing room area, as you can see, this Deccan air conditioner, lights and fans are provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And turning my camera to my right, this is the nicely designed showcase section provided over here by the builder in this drawing room area. As you can see, it is really nice and elegant in appearance. So friends, this being the ceiling height showcase section provided over here in this drawing room area, and over here these openable panels are also provided, behind which the storage space is provided where you can keep your stuff related to drawing room. And let me show you the space provided behind these panels. So these being the bigger panels provided at the bottom, so this is the space provided beneath it, and similar is over here also, and above this these panels are provided as an additional storage space. As you can see, similarly such kind of panels are also provided above, and this is a very nice showcase section provided over here. And again, turning my camera to the left, over here in this drawing room area, this UPVC toughened glass opening is provided, which is leading us to the front side balcony. And this kind of opening provided over here certainly is ensuring natural light and natural air to come inside the room. So my dear friends, before starting the exploration of any other corner of the floor, let me take you to the front side balcony of the floor and explore the front side balcony. And friends, I forgot to tell you that before jumping onto the front side balcony, let me tell you that this UPVC toughened glass panel provided over here in this drawing room area is also provided along with this wire mesh panel, which is must require in order to protect your house from the entrance of mosquitoes. So with this, let's go outside and explore the front side balcony of the floor. So friends, this being the front side balcony of the floor, and this balcony, besides being accessed from this drawing room area, can also be accessed from the 2 bedrooms which is adjacent to this drawing room area. So moving further, this being the bedroom number 1, having 2 gates, 2 openings to this front side balcony, and then comes our bedroom number 2 over here. So this is the front side balcony of the floor, and this is the outer view from this front side balcony, as you can see. And this front side balcony is provided with this SS304 railing, which is coupled with this toughened glass protection, and this is the type of flooring provided over here in this front side balcony. And friends, this is the outer view from the front side balcony of the floor. So now friends, from this front side balcony, let's step back into this drawing room area, and crossing this drawing room area will take us to this lobby area of the floor. And friends, over here in this lobby area, let me tell you that this chandelier, deck and air conditioner, fans and roof lights are provided as a standard treatment by the builder. And friends, over here in this lobby area, towards my right is the powder room or the common washroom provided over here, and these are the two doors which are leading to the two bedrooms of this floor. So these are the two bedroom doors provided over here, and this is the common washroom door provided on this lobby area of the floor. So let's explore this also. So friends, this is the shade of the tile which is provided over here in this common washroom, and it is also provided along with this mirror and tap along with wash basin. So this is the common washroom provided over here on this floor, and moving out of this common washroom will bring us back to this lobby area. So friends, this being the lobby area of the floor, and towards my left, this being the main entrance to the floor, and moving ahead in this direction will take us to the kitchen of this floor. So this being the door which is taking us to one of the bedroom of this floor, and towards my left, this being the kitchen of this floor. But before exploring the kitchen, let me tell you, this is a very nicely designed puja room provided over here on this floor. And towards my right is this kitchen of this floor. So let's go inside and explore the kitchen of this floor. So friends, this being the kitchen of the floor, and let me tell you that as I've told you at the start of the video that the type of flooring provided over here is of Italian marble, and this is the false ceiling design provided over here in this kitchen area. In this kitchen, this Faber chimney, Faber 4-burner hob, Faber microwave, Faber oven is provided as a standard treatment by the builder along with this fan and the ceiling lights. So friends, this is the modular design kitchen of the floor, and as you can see, it is provided with this white marble slab over here. While being in the kitchen, one thing which we always do is the exploration of the woodwork space provided over here in this kitchen. So let's start exploration of the woodwork provided over here in this kitchen, both above the slab as well as below the slab. So starting the exploration of the woodwork provided over here from this corner. So over here, this panel space is provided, this storage space is provided behind this panel, and beneath which this microwave and oven is provided basically. And moving further, some more panels are provided with the space behind them. So like this, as you can see, this being the chimney provided as a standard treatment. Moving further, some more space is provided, and again some more space. And now moving towards the opposite side, this being the dishwashing area, and above it, this is the steel racks provided over here. So moving further, some more space provided, and some more space. So this is also a panel provided with the hydraulic hinges. So friends, this has been the woodwork which has been provided over here in this kitchen above the slab, and now is the time to explore the woodwork which is provided over here beneath the slab. So starting from this corner, these are the drawers or the pullouts provided over here. So quickly exploring this also, these are the big gigantic drawers provided over here, very smooth in operation with soft closing, as you can see. And moving further, some more drawers, spacious drawers, smooth in operation. Wow, really nice. Very nice woodwork provided over here. Big gigantic drawers. And further, this is the space provided, storage space provided with the panel. So opposite to this being the dishwashing area, beneath this is this bin section provided over here, as you can see. So closing this, moving further, some more pullouts or the drawers provided. So with this also beneath it, this drawer is also provided. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the woodwork provided over here in this kitchen, and towards my right here, the space is provided to keep your refrigerator. And turning my camera to the left from this position, here this UPVC toughened glass door is provided, coupled with this wire mesh panel which is taking us to the backside balcony from this kitchen area. So let's quickly explore the backside balcony of this floor from this kitchen area only. So moving out will take us to the backside balcony. So my dear friends, this is the backside balcony of the floor, and this balcony, besides being accessed from this kitchen area, can also be accessed from the other two bedrooms of the floor. So this being the bedroom number 1. Moving further, this is the bedroom number 2, and this is the outer view from this backside balcony. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the backside balcony also of this floor, and now from this backside balcony, let's move back into the kitchen area. So back into this kitchen area, moving further will take us to the puja section towards my right, as you can see. And now the only thing which is left to be explored on this floor are the bedrooms. So starting the exploration of the bedroom from this master bedroom. So let's go and start exploring the master bedroom of this floor. So my dear friends, this is the master bedroom of the floor, and which is provided with this wooden flooring, as you can see, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this master bedroom. And friends, again in this master bedroom, this deck and air conditioner is provided along with fan and roof lights as a standard treatment by the builder. And over here, this toughened glass opening which is coupled with this wire mesh panel is provided, which is leading us to the backside balcony, which we have already explored, so no need to explore it anymore. And opposite to this toughened glass opening, this attached washroom is provided. So let's quickly explore this attached washroom provided with this master bedroom. Let's go inside. So friends, this is the attached washroom to the master bedroom. As you can see, it is provided with this shade of tiles, and this is the type of flooring provided over here in this attached washroom to the master bedroom. And the make of the fittings which are attached in this washroom is of Kohler make, and this is the wide mirror provided over here in this. And beneath it, this wash basin is provided, and over here the space is provided to keep your toiletries. And towards my right are the wardrobes provided over here. So friends, now is the time to quickly explore the wardrobe space provided over here in this master bedroom of this floor. So opening these panels. So friends, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in this master bedroom, as you can see. And forgot to tell you that over here in this attached washroom, this record geyser is provided with a 5-star rating. So now moving out of this washroom, let's go back to the master bedroom of the floor. And now my friends, back into this master bedroom, let me tell you that this being the entrance to the master bedroom of the floor, and over here in this master bedroom, besides having the wardrobe space provided in the attached washroom, these wardrobes are also provided over here. So let's quickly explore the wardrobe space provided behind these panels also. So my dear friends, as you can see, these are also very spacious wardrobes provided over here in this master bedroom. And moving further, closing this panel, let me show you the other section also. So over here, this rack section is provided, and opposite to this wardrobe section in this master bedroom, let me show you, this some more shelf section is provided over here with the LED light attached in this section. So this is something which is really nice and really appealing. And with this, my dear friends, I have completed the master bedroom of the floor. Now moving out of this master bedroom, let's check out the bedroom which is provided adjacent to it. So this being the second bedroom of the floor, so let's quickly explore this also. So my dear friends, as you can see, this is the second bedroom of the floor, which is provided with this vitrified tile flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this second bedroom of the floor. And also over here, this deck-in air conditioner is provided as a standard treatment along with the fans and the roof light by the builder. And this is the UPVC toughened door, which is coupled with the wire mesh panel is provided over here, which is leading us to the backside balcony, which we have already explored. And towards my right, this is the attached washroom provided over here with this bedroom. So let's quickly explore this also. This is the attached washroom to this second bedroom of the floor, and as I've told you that the fittings installed over here in this washroom is of Kohler make, and this is the geyser, record geyser 5-star rating is provided over here. And this is the wash basin provided along with this space provided to keep your toiletries. And turning my camera towards my right are the wardrobe space provided over here in this washroom. So now friends, let's quickly explore the water space provided over here in the second bedroom of the floor. So let's open the panels. So friends, this is the water space provided over here in the second bedroom. And with this, my dear friends, I have completed the second bedroom of the floor also. So now moving out of this will take us to the second bedroom of the floor, and now exiting this second bedroom will take us back to this lobby area. And now we have only these two bedrooms left to be explored. So now let's explore this bedroom of the floor. So moving further, this being the third bedroom of the floor, moving inside. So this, my dear friends, is the third bedroom of the floor and is provided with this shade of vitrified tiles flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this third bedroom of the floor. So moving further in this third bedroom, again over here this Deccan air conditioner and fan and roof lights are provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And over here again this toughened glass opening coupled with wire mesh panel is provided, which is leading us to the front side balcony, which we have already explored. And towards my right, these are the water space provided over here in this third bedroom of the floor. So now let's quickly explore the space provided over here behind these panels. So friends, this is the water space provided over here in this bedroom, in the third bedroom of the floor, as you can see. And now from here, turning my camera to the right, this is the attached washroom to this third bedroom of the floor. So now moving inside, let's explore this also. And these are the shade of tiles provided over here, and this is the type of flooring provided over here. And again over here, the type of fittings provided, the make of fittings provided is of Kohler make. This is the wash basin, and beneath this space is provided to keep your toiletries. And again in this washroom, this record 5-star rating geyser is provided. So now with this, let's move out of this attached washroom to this third bedroom and coming back to this third bedroom of the floor. And now moving out of this third bedroom, let's explore the last portion of this floor, which is the fourth bedroom. So moving inside this fourth bedroom. So friends, this is the fourth bedroom of the floor, and as you can see here also this vitrified tile flooring is provided, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this fourth bedroom of the floor. And my dear friends, in this fourth bedroom, as you can see, these toughened glass openings is provided along with the wire mesh panel, which is leading us to the front side balcony. So the balcony which we have already explored. So and opposite to these doors, these glass panel doors, is that Deccan air conditioner provided, fans and lights which are provided as a standard fitment by the builder in each and every room. And these are the water space provided over here in this fourth bedroom. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind the panels. So as you can see, it is provided with this sliding panel. So quickly exploring, so opening this side of the wardrobe first, very smooth in operation. These, and this is the water space provided over here on one side. And now closing this, very nice. Let's open the other side. So this is the similar kind of space provided over here on the other side also. So these being the wardrobes provided over here in this bedroom, fourth bedroom of the floor, and opposite to this is the attached washroom provided in this fourth bedroom. So let's quickly explore this also. So moving inside will take us to the attached washroom to this fourth bedroom. So friends, over here as you can see, this is the shade of the tiles which is provided over here in this attached washroom to the fourth bedroom. And the make of fittings provided over here in this washroom area is of Kohler make. And this is the wide mirror provided over here with a wash basin, and below this wash basin this space is provided to keep your toiletries. Over here this is the Racal geyser provided over here in this washroom with a 5-star rating. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed and shared with you each and every corner of this floor. And now moving out of this fourth bedroom of this floor, let's share the prices with you of this floor. So with this, my dear friends, I have shared each and every corner of this floor along with all of you, and I hope you like the layout of this floor. And as I told you at the start of the video that in this property all the floors are sold except this third floor which is left for the sale. If you want to purchase this floor, you need to contact me, and the number of mine is flashing on the screen. And with this, now is the time to disclose the price of this floor. So my dear friends, the price of this floor is 2 crore 60 lakh. And I would like to request you that to support my channel, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And with this, I will be passing signing off for today with the promise to meet you again with a new video and a new topic option. So till then, take care of yourself, your family and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.